Hi, this is Vabiz Dorabji, and you are watching me on Voice of Women. I think whoever comes into this field as an actor or as a model, everybody knows that you really have to work very hard. You have to give a lot of auditions in your life. So basically, I was always doing well as a model. I had started my career in Pune, then in Bombay also continued with a lot of commercials and print ads. But then actually it was my father and mother who encouraged me more towards television, because they said everyone's doing television and it's a great medium, so you should think about it. So I was like, okay, because till then I was quite comfortable only in modeling. I had never thought further, but I'm very thankful that I have parents like this who keep supporting me and encouraging me. So that is when I thought, okay, fine. But I always had this craze only for shows which used to come on Star One. So I kept auditioning for all the shows on Star One, and to God's grace, I bagged Pyar Ki Ye Kahani. Well, once again, I will say it was my mom and dad. Because if it was left up to me, I always wanted to be a model. But then in Pune, I had become pretty stagnated. Then I Bombay gayi. In Bombay also, I did a lot of commercials, print ads and all. That was also going great. Like I used to come on hoardings and commercials and all. It used to be fun. But my dad was like, not very happy. He wanted to, push me and, like change my perception that, okay, fine, you're a model. But like, it's better if you get into acting, because, that will give you more stability and it would give you more recognition, money, fame, everything. So I was like, not very happy initially about it. But then I said, okay, fine, that's true. After a point, I stagnate ho gayi thi. So I was like, yes, it is good to push harder. It is good to, push your limits, and then even you understand your own potential. So I think my father knew my potential even before me. And that's when I started trying for television. I think the best part is I am living the life of my dreams. Like, I do what I love. And that is why, touchwood, I look so happy to everybody, because always do what you love, because then it doesn't feel like work. I'm a people's person. I am a creative person. So all these things are up my sleeve. Of course, I'm very thankful to my acting profession, because that is what has given me everything today. That is how you guys know me as Vabiz Dorabji. But currently, if you ask me, yes, I'm really enjoying vlogging. It's something that is really up my sleeve. It keeps me on my toes. You have to keep creating content. It looks all easy. It's not easy at all. Plus, you get to endorse so much of your favorite products. I also do food vlogging. I also do travel vlogging. And that's something I love, because I'm a Sagittarius and I'm adventurous and I love exploring. So I think I love all the mediums. My main motto in life is just keep working. I can't sit still. Well, I think if we are public figures, we have to be ready for criticism. Every time सब आपकी तारीफ ही नहीं करने वाले. I'm completely okay with it if it is constructive criticism, and I would like to listen to my director or my producers, or if there's something constructive. But I'm not okay with all the negativity that goes on nowadays, or if people are just pulling you down unnecessarily. Like especially with this new world of social media, I'm not happy with the negativity that goes on, and I'm not one of the celebrity who even tolerates it. So criticism, of course, ठीक है, सबकी एक choice है और opinion है. But as I said, I will not allow anyone to ever just pull someone down or pull me down unnecessarily. Well, actually, having a jam-packed schedule is my secret to be happy and positive. I'm not one of those people who can sit idle, because also an idle mind is a devil's workshop. मुझे काम करना बहुत पसंद है. I'm also a very creative person. I'm someone who likes to be on my toes. In fact, I feel जब मुझे घर पे बैठना पड़ता है, I feel like I will rust. I will feel like, my talent is not being utilized, my talent is hidden. I am someone, who needs to work 24/7. I'm a workaholic, and that is actually what keeps me happy and going, because there is a lot of happiness and pride in having your own identity. Well, Rome was not built in a day, but at least there is a change. So that's great. At least there is a change in people's perception. Yes, it's years and years of regressive thinking. So it's going to take a lot of time. But I'm still happy to slowly see the changes and the transformation. Plus, I'm very happy to see even women becoming so strong and empowered. So, of course, it's going to take time, because our society and our men also are not used to strong women. Like, they are used to women being in a certain manner from all these generations. But now things are changing, and I think they should change, because it's very important for a woman also to have an identity. Like, of course, women have always been homemakers. They are mothers, daughters, sisters. They should balance both. I am not saying that because of this new generation, अब तुम men से compete करने लगो. That is also wrong. Just be balanced. Have your own identity. Be happy. Balance your home and your work. But of course, women should get a fair chance to be equal in the society. Well, right now we were talking about women empowerment. So as I was just saying, that women should not, become empowered just to compete with men, or, also, as they say, yes, utilizing the laws in a wrong way. Women should be truthful and honest about it. Then only people will, trust and also bring about a change in the society. Yes, it is very, very wrong, and it has happened to many of my own guy friends that females have utilized the law in a wrong way, and that is something very, very evil to do. So I feel if the government is bringing out changes, or the society is bringing changes, let's be fair about it. Let's utilize the law in a fair manner, and let's be honest about it. It's really wrong, to use the laws against men to just pull them down. That's very evil. Well, being an actor, and especially if you're a young girl and you come to Mumbai, you have to be very, very careful and very guarded. You have to keep yourself very safe. Girls have to be 100 times more careful. Well, you will have, see, in our field you have to be social. You have to meet people, you have to go a lot of meetings, you have to do a lot of auditions. So you'll be meeting all sorts of people. First of all, I would say don't trust easily. Don't just go by face value, या किसी ने कोई मीठी ज़बान दे दी, या कोई commitment या promise दे दिया. Be careful, be guarded. Also watch body language. Also use your head more than your heart. Secondly, जो मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है, I've been cheated quite a few times, where people take money from you. They, oh, give us this much amount of money, we are going to get you an ad, we are going to get you this. No. Anyone who takes money from you is cheating you. Like, ठीक है, if they get you a certain work and they then take a certain cut or a commission, that's a different thing. But do not pay anyone, because that is all a fraud. And as I said, be careful of your safety. Also, when you are called for meetings, where are you called, which places, कोई बहुत ही lonely जगह ना हो, या hotel rooms नहीं हो. I have certain policies for myself, and that is how I have always carried myself, with certain rules. And do not just sign on any dotted line or any contracts. Read properly. So there are many, many things. It all depends upon you, how you carry yourself and how you safeguard yourself. As a celebrity, yes, I agree, we are public figures. But there's also something called a personal life, and a personal life is called a personal life because those are your private moments. So I don't believe in putting everything out there. And yes, for me, my family comes first. And fine, I mean, we are public figures. If the fans want to know something about us, definitely, we will tell them or entertain them, but not everything, because that is why it is called a private life. So I prefer to keep my private life private. Well, my life has not been any less than a roller coaster ride. I have many times fallen down in life and rebuilt myself. So I think after everything I went through, I always say one quote: what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, which I've been saying for years. And also one more thing which I have, always believe in, one more quote is that, the dogs will keep barking, but the lion keeps walking. That's what I believe I am. A lion, I am a lone ranger, and I completely believe that. Like, I have been through a lot, and as they say, log kya kahenge, society, people will say a lot of nonsense about you, which might not even be true. So that's why I really believe that the dogs keep barking, but the lion will keep. Well, I think I would not want to change anything ever. As I said, I'm living my dreams. I'm living the life I've always wanted from childhood. So I would be the same, and I would just keep acting, keep blogging, keep being an entrepreneur. I would just love to do what I'm doing. Well, first of all, thank you, Voice of Women, for featuring me, and keep up the good work, because I'm also a feminist and I'm really happy with whatever you guys are doing. And I would just keep telling women that, stay strong and empower yourself, make your own identity, and as I said, stay balanced. Thank you.